What's up, everybody, and welcome back. What I have here today is what I hope is going to be the new shifter for my 2018 Mustang. I'm really excited about this because it's going to make it look and feel badass. So I already opened it up, and there she is. And this is from UPR. It's very, very heavy, feels very good. Take a closer look at it. All right. It's first thing is it's very heavy. I like it. It feels really good. It feels a lot like, the base of it feels like a lot like a gun, which feels really, really good in your hand. And then you have your little trigger here. I like it. I'm gonna go put it in, and hopefully it shouldn't take me more than about 15-20 minutes.
Few moments later. One eternity later. 3 days later. 12 seconds later. 3:28 a.m.
So, it's all good, and everything is installed. I think it turned out very well. Everything fits good, it feels good, it's in there, there's no play or anything like that. It feels real firm. So, I really like the action of it. There you have your reverse. And your support. So if you're roll racing and you're like first gear or second gear, just hit it, click forward, and then neutral, reverse, and park. I really, really like this thing. And I'll pull it down in first gear. Okay. And go up a little bit more RPMs. Alright, and floor it. Alright, and you're good.
Did you